Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Black Widow skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the eyes first. So we're going to draw the top of her eyelid. So this is going to be a simple curve, kind of dipping down toward the middle a little bit. The same thing on both sides. And then once we have that, come back here and just kind of curve it, come back toward the middle. So it's always a tricky shape to draw. And then once we have that, we can draw in the eyeball. So it's kind of like a half circle. And then I'm going to shade it in, and I'm going to draw one circle inside so I can leave a little bit of highlight. Okay, and then from there, let's go ahead and draw in the eyebrow. So it's just gonna be right here, corner, go up, and then slant down. So it's a little bit meaner looking. And then let's just give it some thickness. On her other side, we're gonna skip this for now. We're gonna draw in the rest of her face because we need to draw in the hair over her eyes first. So let's just go ahead and draw in her nose. So right on the corner of the eye, just come down. Make two little points. Just kind of round it off, a little bit of sharp corner for her nose. Alright, and then from there, for her mouth, it's really easy. We just kind of draw kind of like a smiley face first. And then on top of it, here's the upper lip. One little line, and then on the bottom, a little bit lower, another line. And then once you have all those lines, all you have to do is just kind of connect them to the corner. Okay, and that'll give her a lip shape. So now let's fill in the shape of the face. So come out to the side here on the eye. Just kind of come down like a little bracket right around this area. And once you've drawn that, you're gonna turn it in. Chin's a little bit sharper. Just close it off and round it out. Alright, so it's a very tricky curve. Alright, so once we have that, now I can finish up the face with the hair. So right above here on the eye, go up. That's gonna be where the hairline is gonna be kind of going different directions. So this one's gonna curve out this way. And then on this one, it's gonna curve right over the eye, right to the corner, and just kind of go out. And then just curve it. So this is gonna be one big strand. And then once you have this one right here, let's just go ahead and finish up this strand. Start here, just curve, just kind of hook it and close it off. Alright, so now let's draw in the rest. Oh, actually, yeah, we should draw in her eyebrow first. So let's just finish this up. The same thing, just slant up, so it's right behind the hair. Give it some thickness and just go all the way up. Alright, so now we can finish up the hair. So go back to this corner here. We're gonna go up. And then on this side here, curve all the way down. And then just kind of close it off to the side of the face. And then here, this one's gonna go up a little bit more. Curve all the way around the head. Just come down. And then leave a little bit of space here. I'm gonna draw another curve going this way. Okay, so we're just giving it some different flow to the hair. And then on this side, right around here on the eye area, curve up. And then I'm gonna curve back in. Okay, we're almost done with the hair, so let's give some volume on the back here. So we're just gonna curve both sides, continue this, curve in. And then we can't close it first because we have to draw in her neck. So just draw two lines like this first. And let's just go ahead and draw in the collar. Just close it off with a little V shape, and then now we can close up the hair. Alright, and we can add in just a couple of lines here just to give it some more flow to the hair. Alright, so now let's move on to the body. So let's start on the shoulders here. Come out right around here, not too wide. Come down, this is gonna be your armpit. And then let's just draw in a curve going in for the chest area. And then come back to the armpit area. Just slant in, this is gonna be her waist. All the way in. And then let's just go ahead and finish up the details in here. She's got a little strap. So right here, I'm just gonna draw a curve to the armpit area. And I'm gonna add one line just for the buckle. And then lastly, for the Black Widow symbol here, I'm just gonna draw one line. And right around the chest area right here, I'm gonna draw another line, same thing. And then just add a little angle and connect that. Okay, so this is gonna be red. Alright, so let's move on out to the arms first before I draw in her leg. So here's the armpit. Curve. Shoulder. Bicep. Not too strong, so just kind of straight lines. And then we're gonna flare out right around to the hip area. Curve. And then close it off, so she's got a big kind of like a wristband here for her weapons. So we're gonna extend this line and just draw in almost like a square. Okay, and then now I can draw in her hand. So right here, come down, just kind of hook it. So that's gonna be the thumb. And then for this one, we can just kind of go almost straight out. And now we're gonna connect these. It's kind of a little bit of curve, so that's gonna be one of her fingers. And then once you have that, in here, let's draw another finger, kind of slightly bent. And then let's draw one more. Okay, so it's definitely a very different hand position than all the other Fortnite characters. Alright, so let's draw the other side. Armpit, shoulder. Then again, same thing for the bicep, just come down. You can use the other side for reference, so you don't have one arm too much longer than the other, or shorter. So flare out, curve down, okay, close it off. Extend it and draw a box. And then same thing here for her hand. Come out, curve it up. This side, just go all the way down. And then just kind of give it a slight curve, close it off. And same thing here for the finger. One, and then one more. Alright, and then, oh yeah, I almost forgot a little wristband right here, or armband. Alright, so now let's move on down, and the pose is a little bit different. I'm gonna try to draw it like as we see it in Fortnite. So the hip is gonna be not symmetrical. So we're gonna come out here, we're gonna draw this side first. We're gonna come out, just flare out, right around to here. Come to the middle, come down, you make a little point, right around here. And then we're gonna slant it up. And it's kind of difficult because this line is just kind of floating out of nowhere. Okay, so once you have this one's just gonna go straight down toward the middle. And then this side, we're gonna continue this curve. This is gonna be her thigh area. Just curve it around. And then close it off. And this is gonna be your knee. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky. And then for knee pads, this one's easy. Pretty much like a square. And then we're gonna continue with this leg and then we'll draw the other one. Okay, so we're gonna flare out. We're gonna go this way. Down, and this one's gonna come in a little bit more. Let's just close it off. And then this one's gonna come down, just tilt it down this way. And then this one's gonna come out more on this side. Close it off. And let's just add a little bit of detail with just one line across. Alright, so that's one leg, and now we have to draw the other one kind of behind it. That's why it gets a little bit trickier. Okay, for this one, we're gonna come back up here. And this one's a little bit straighter, it's not gonna go out as much. So just kind of curve it down like this. And then once you're here, we're just gonna go all the way down. Okay, so we just keep it simple, just nice and straight. And then for her knee pads right here, I'm just gonna draw 2 lines. Okay, and then we're gonna continue this. This is going behind. So this line's gonna come down, just kind of curve it right around there. And then the other side of the leg, come down, close it off. Continue down, close it. Same detail. So it's actually easier to draw, it's just that trying to get the right placement, that's the difficult part. Alright, and then lastly, just one little detail here. Alright, so that was the hardest part, and now let's just fill in the details. So this part's a lot easier. Okay, so let's go back up to the belt, right on the hip, slant down. So this is gonna be one belt kind of slanted. And then the buckle, go from the middle, just draw 2 lines going out this way. And let's add a little bit of detail here. I'm just gonna add a little rectangle. And then it's gonna be a little pouch on the side here. And then we're gonna draw one more belt. So start here, slant down, and then go back up. And this one's behind that belt. Okay, and then let's see, go back to the middle right here. We're gonna add a little bit of detail. And then now she's got 2 straps here for the holster. So I'm just gonna slant out, 1, 2. Then here's the holster, just come out with a rectangle. And then for the pistols, we're just gonna just go ahead and draw in like 2 little rectangles in here. So there won't be too much detail. Okay, so that's 1, and 1 more here. Start on the bottom. 2 bars. Come out, same thing here, little rectangle, and then same thing on the top here. 1 and 2. And I guess if you want to add a little bit of detail, we can just add a couple of lines there for the sight. And that is it for this very cool looking Black Widow skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.